Hi, I'm Brian. This is an SAT math question involving exponential functions, specifically quadratics here. So we're given this function down here, f of x, and we're asked for what value of x is the function undefined. And in math, when something is undefined, that means you're dividing it by 0, which is not possible. As an example, if I said, what's 2 divided by 0? That equals undefined. We don't know what that equals because you cannot divide by 0. So in this case, we want to focus on this denominator here. Forget about the numerator, regardless of what it is. But let's take this denominator and let's set it equal to 0 and then just solve it like any other quadratic you normally would. So in this case, let's factor out a greatest common factor of 2 from each one of these terms. So divide each one by 2. And what we're going to be left with here is this expression. And try to factor this always. It's a little bit easier. If it doesn't work, you could use the quadratic formula, but factoring is definitely easier, and it actually does factor in this case to x minus 4 squared. And the value that turns that into 0 is a positive 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 squared is still 0. Times 2 is still 0. And that's why our solution here is 4. So when you plug back a 4 into the denominator, it turns it into 0, and 1 divided by 0 is by definition undefined.